Giga shop. Follow, like, share, subscribe, get your own sparkle supply. Whoa, welcome to the Giga shop. Follow, like.
Hey guys, so today I am going to show you and introduce you my last Procreate stamp brush that I made. Yes, it's a set of rip effect for denim. So first of all, if you feel like you want to check this out and how I use it, just feel free to watch the whole video. Today I'm using a vertical format for this video. Also, I want to clarify that this is not a video to bring people on my shop and push you to buy something off from my shop or spend the money in any way, because there's a whole tutorial that I made, which is my last video. I will link it down below. And thank you. If you have any question, just leave me a comment down below. Bye, thank you. For this demonstration, I have prepared some AI images. There are several different effects for your denim, and this one I'm using is one of the simplest one that I included. They kind of look like a patch. Now, what I really like about these brushes is that you can easily warp them and make them adaptable to the kind of design that you need. So in case you need, for example, to apply the effect on a straight surface or a rounded surface, like around the tights, they can easily be adaptable in that way, just using the move tool in Procreate, and you can basically warp them around just as much as you want. I also tried to give some depth and definition to this effect by using a bluish color and a round brush, a soft round brush, the ones that you can find by default on Procreate, and give a little bit of, shadow. In this other illustration, I am showing you the effect on a regular classic denim, and I am applying a more dramatic look and effect, and applying over her legs, specifically around her knees. Okay, so you can once again see that these are very easily adaptable to your design. In cases like this, where the holes are quite dramatic, you should remember that some of the skin will peek out from it, and remember to paint a little area with the skin color, the same skin color of your doll. So, I mean, it's consistent with the design. In this one, as you can see, I am also combining a couple of stamp brushes together to obtain some different shape, like combining 2 or 3 stamp brushes together and move them a little bit to create a sort of mashup. I think it can also work quite beautifully. Now I am showing you that not only you can use these brushes on fashion illustrations or illustrations of any kind, but I also tested these brushes on actual pictures, real photographies. So I have been looking around over Pinterest, and I have seen these cute patches in various shapes, and I said, you know what, I am going to include this kind of stamp brushes for denim as well. I think it's a trend like Korean style or something, but it's so cute, and just look at the result. Okay, now it's time to show you some before and after from other designs that I was preparing to test the whole product. And this is the whole product. You can find my denim stamp brushes pack on Creative Market and on my Etsy. And thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. See you soon. Bye.